Hi, this is Samantha. You're not going to see my face, but the food box came today. Of course, I have to work, so this is my lunch break. I still have to eat. So this will kind of be fast. So, Imperfect Foods. See that? I'm taking some scissors. I had already sprayed the box with some hand sanitizer. Okay. So I think this box was, I don't know, $77, I think. I could take a look at that. But I'm going to start, the box was really heavy, so I'm going to start to empty it here and then bring it where it needs to go. So here's some beef broth. You can see this one has sodium of 750. If you are concerned about sodium, which my blood pressure kinda goes all over, so I have to look at that. Okay, so I'll spray that. Okay, you have these. Okay. Okay, the buns. Those were $2.99, I can tell you that offhand. So those were kinda on the expensive side. This is different. This is not the way lettuce usually comes, but this is the lettuce they have this week. So we'll see how this one is. It looks like you can grow it. Literally, just take off the top and you probably could grow that. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here because I know these videos have to kind of be short for social media, so